Hey guys, welcome to the vlog again, and today I'm super excited and okay without no teeth pain or gums, but I had to make a painful decision of extracting the last teeth because it was severely damaged, so there is no way I could salvage it. So it had a huge hole that when I put food in there, when I eat, when I chew food, when food substances enter there, removing it was a task. I was trying to remove it with my tongue or using a toothpick, sorry, and it was hard. So I had to let it go. And yes, now officially 27 teeth. Not teeth. I mean, otherwise. Okay, back to the subject of today. I was talking about my hair, and I want to show you my hair product. And also, to clear first, I do not put on wigs. Not that I hate them, but I have the hair, and with this one I can style any kind of a wig I wish with my own hair. So that's the main reason why I do not put wigs. So let me show you what I do use. First, I do clean my hair with Vatika, and this is a shampoo, Vatika shampoo. The reason I like it is because it has olive oils, and it has olive oil, it has a little bit of henna and aloe vera. It's the best shampoo for the last 6, sorry, I'm rolling to my 7th year, so I'm still 6, though I'm not far from rolling it. Next month of 20th, I will be starting my journey of the final year and the 7th year. Okay, away from that, I do use this one, Vatika shampoo, also Vatika conditioner. Also, it contains olive oil. That's the main reason I love about these products. Okay, when I clean, I do use this one also. It's Vatika. I don't know, maybe you can see it on, it's not focusing that camera well, so it's new, so I'm still learning how to focus with it. This is a hot oil treatment. After I clean with shampoo and conditioner, I do apply this one. Then I let it to stay to cool to cool about 10 or 15 minutes while wrapping a warm towel on my head. Then after 10 to 15 minutes, I clean it. Now I do straighten my hair with this one, which is very difficult and the heavy task for me to straighten my hair. As you can see, the volume of my hair, it's not small, it's big, so it's always a task. Now that is oil I do use. This one is an olive oil. This one is available even in Kenya. I don't know whether I'm sure of Vatika whether it's in Kenya or not, but I want to believe it is. Also, this one, every supermarket you walk there is, and this one is the best. It gives your hair shiny look, strong and smart hair. But before, when I was in Kenya, without using an olive, I've always used coconut tropical oil. This one everybody knows about it. And sometimes I apply this one, coconut, or this one. But I have another one. Cool, for 1 minute I bring it. Yes, I'm back. This one is Double Amra hair oil. This one is the best. It's the one that gives my hair black, the darkness that now I'm enjoying. As you can see, you cannot tell my hair was once brown, huh? It's a little bit dark, and it courtesy of Amra Double hair oil, but it smells so bad. it's not so good. If you can withstand it, it's the best. I would prefer this than this. But if you cannot get Amra, try Virgin. It's also like the same. The only thing is the smell, and they're all from one company. And that's it for my hair. I have updated you. I'm sorry for repeating myself. Sometimes vlogging is not that easy when you're talking to camera. And I like my hair when it is afro. I think that complements my face. I like this style and I like afro. But also I do straightening it without this curvy. As you can see, it's like a head rollers on. No. But when it is straight, I just like holding it here on top like a ponytail. But I like afro. I'm in love with afro. I'm an African girl. Yeah, as you can see, it's just looking beautiful. You cannot deny that. And because of that, I want to add my blog there. You can follow me on Instagram, Nyokabi Waweru. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's not prohibited. It's not a sin. If something does not make you happy, then it deserves a thumbs down. Otherwise, until next time, I wish you the best in your life. Goodbye. Subscribe.